You guys may have already watched our video on how to use AI to create logos and to use AI as a tool to create a visual effect. Now, in this video, we're going to talk more about how to use AI to create taglines and bios. Now, again, this all comes under the branding umbrella, which is what this module of these videos, this playlist is all about. How are you going to use AI to create your tagline and bio? So within this lesson, you are going to learn to understand the role of taglines, bios, and promotional material in branding, how to use tools like ChatGPT or DeepSeek or other chatbots for content generation, and how to refine and personalize AI generated content for authenticity, and how you're going to use AI as a tool not to just create some homogenous product like everyone else is doing. How are you going to use it to build your brand, and how are you going to use it to create some great content and create these taglines and bios to overall create your branding image and evoke those emotions like we were talking about in previous videos. Now, how are you going to craft your taglines with AI? Now, first of all, let's go back a little bit and talk about what exactly is a tagline. Now, a tagline is a short, memorable phrase capturing a brand's essence. For example, Nike has "Just Do It," Apple "Think Different," McDonald's "I'm Loving It." I mean, everyone knows these taglines. This is kind of resonant with the exact brand, and you see it when you are thinking of these brands. Now, using AI for taglines, AI can provide keywords and brand values. If you provide your AI with that, they will be able to come up with different types of taglines, bios that will resonate with your brand, and it can really help you. So, for example, if you're in sustainable, eco-friendly, or stylish business, tell your AI that it will remember this and it will generate that in turn some great bios for you. It'll generate multiple variations as well. Just ask it to generate multiple variations and choose which one you prefer. Again, ask your friends, family, what do you think of this? Which one resonates more with you as a potential customer, and all of that good stuff. Again, refine, test for impact, relevance, and brand alignment and engagement. Make sure that it aligns with your brand and what you want to portray and manifest as a future business. Now, how do you create the bios with AI? And first of all, let's go back a little bit again. What exactly is a bio? Now, a bio is a bit of a tagline, but on steroids, essentially. So it's a short summary that defines a brand, individual, or business. And where exactly are bios used? Now, they can be used in social media profiles, which you may be more familiar with on Instagram. Just underneath your profile picture, you'll see a bio. I mean, that's synonymous with Instagram, right? Again, you can apply this to business as well. Websites and about us section. So many times when you go into websites, there'll be an about us section. Again, that is a bio, a form of a bio. Yes, probably a lot longer than the bio in your Instagram profile, but again, nevertheless, it still is a bio. And again, in promotional materials, if you're using promotional materials like cards, packaging, you have a bit of a short bio written on there. What exactly are we as a brand? Again, this all contributes to the overall brand image. Now, how are you going to use AI for bios? It's very simple to using it for taglines. So define your brand values and mission. Tell the AI, what exactly are you trying to achieve? What type of brand are you trying to create? And you can use AI to generate multiple bio versions. Again, refine and personalize. Ask people, which one do you prefer? Which one looks better? And which one aligns more with your tone, your audience, and your platform? Again, only you can decide this. And we are just here to guide you along the journey. Now, AI for promotional material. Now, promotional material, as mentioned, your packaging, your thank you cards, your coupon cards, again, mentioned in the offer section and promotion section of this video, of this playlist, of this course. Again, AI for promotional material. AI can generate, ad copy to create catchy and engaging marketing text. Again, a bit more advanced, but just want to give you a bit more of a flavor about it. And you can do your own research about this. And also, we will provide a lot more information about this in future videos. Social media captions. Again, if you're posting every single day, AI is great for creating some really good social media captions. Again, AI can learn from what do you prefer. And again, what does the market prefer? AI will learn that it's trained to do that. So make the most out of it before, while we're in this AI boom. Product descriptions, again, they can do product descriptions, as mentioned briefly in the product description section. They can create a bit of a story with the very limited information that you can provide with them through your efficient processes. So platform specific optimization, Instagram, engaging that Instagram prefers engaging, short, and hashtag rich. The good thing about Instagram is that you can go and search a hashtag, you can see exactly what you want on there. So make sure that your hashtags are relevant. Again, ask AI to provide you with relevant hashtags and it will do that exactly for you. For LinkedIn, it's more of a professional and informative platform. You want to make sure that the AI is told that, tell your AI that you're using for LinkedIn, and it will know to maintain professionalism and create a more informative approach to your taglines and bios. Now, Twitter, more concise, attention grabbing, probably a bit more clickbaity, but again, well, Twitter, known now as X, more concise, attention grabbing. Again, tell your AI that and it will know that. So what are some tips for using AI in branding content? So make sure that you're very clear to the AI. Again, pretend it's stupid because sometimes it can be. It is learning as well, machine learning. It's learning at the same time as you are essentially. So if you're clear, it'll lead to better outputs, provide more detailed brand values and goals to it, and essentially it'll give you a better output. The more information that you give the AI, the more it will give you in return. Iterate and experiment, keep on refining, keep on refining, keep on telling it, do this, no, do this, do this, do this, all of that good stuff. And, you know, tell it to give you a bit more of a human touch because, again, people can tell when things are AI generated, but if you tell it to give you more of a human touch, add a bit of authenticity, tell it a bit more about yourself as a person, and it will, you know, give yourself an output as if you have made it yourself while saving you hours worth of time. So, in conclusion, AI is a really powerful tool. Don't overuse it though. Make sure that you tell it exactly what you want and be very clear. Be patient with the bot. Pretend it's a child. Explain to it exactly what you want, and in turn, it will work for you rather than you working for the AI. Combine AI with your own personal creativity and what you want to build as a brand to create authentic and engaging branding. And again, refine, test, and personalize for maximum impact.